Welcome to this short tutorial about creating an inner menu. This template is the most often used because it's important to break down or chunk information in a mobile app. Here's how to do it. You'll recall that earlier we created a home screen that had 4 buttons, or 5 buttons, including About This App. One of those was Family. And we decided in our mind map that family would be broken down into 2 categories, siblings and pets. To break that down, we're going to add an inner menu. Click the Add Screen button, and then drag the inner menu template to the gray box. We'll name it My Family, since that's the name of the button it's coming from, and we'll do the same with the title bar so that we know what this screen is about very easily. The inner menu screen behaves much like the home screen, with one exception. The buttons that appear on this screen have actually 2 functions. They can be a section or they can be an item within that section. If we want to just create 2 sections, siblings and pets, we can overwrite the text as we do with the home screen and add the word siblings. And we can add a new section which will give us a separate button that we can label Pets. If, however, we wanted to further break these 2 categories down, we could click the Add Item side of the button, and you'll notice that now the button is connected to this, making this now a heading. So now we can put the names of our siblings in here and have buttons going to screens about each one of those individuals. Just click Add Item again to add as many siblings as you have. Once you're done, make sure you save the screen and then connect it to the button that it came from. In this case, we go back to the home screen, click the My Family button, and select My Family from the link screen option. Don't forget to save the home screen after you've made your change. That's all there is to it. I hope you can use this easily and often.